Okay, guys. It's Big Bake here with an unboxing, and I actually this right here is a banana seat from Amazon. It's just for like the basic beach cruiser. Yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. I like unboxing videos, so I said bump it. I might as well make. I like unboxing videos, so first time it has been opened. See. See, let's see. Let's see if it comes with the hardware. I'm really curious to see if it's coming with the hardware, or if it just came with the seat itself. Because if it just came with the seat itself, I'm gonna take it back. So yeah, and it just came with the seat itself, and I can't do anything with this because it just came with the seat itself. A really nice seat, by the way. Maybe I can try to buy a post for it. I don't know. I'll try to buy a post for it. Um, but it's really nice though. You see, oh wow, it's pretty right there. Oh wow, that metal? Oh, that's freaking metal. Yeah, this right here is a really nice banana seat. I'm making a motorized bicycle. And this right here is my little banana seat. I have to get the doggone hardware for it though. This right here. It doesn't come with the hardware or the post for it, or yeah, so I have to get I have to get all that good stuff for it. Yeah, but yep, really nice seat. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and let me go on.